Best sites to sell your clothes. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. thredUP. This one is a big hit in our office. All of Lauren Matthews' clothes are sold on thredUP. I don't even have to think about it, she comments. You fill up a prepaid bag, they photograph and sell everything, and they handle the rest. Etsy. It specializes in handmade and vintage goods sales and purchases. Purchasing discounted postage, chatting with buyers, and managing orders gets even easier with the platform. eBay. We've known and loved this buying and selling site for years. Setting up an eBay account, or any other sort of account really, is all you need to do if you want to sell clothes. The RealReal. A trip to the RealReal is recommended if you have luxury items to sell. You may have your items picked up by the online consignment shop. Yes, they come to you. Or ship it directly to them for a free valuation. But you may also ship your items directly to them or visit one of their luxury consignment offices. Kidizen. The coolest mom you've ever known. Children's clothing app Kidizen allows users to sell hand-me-downs, and it has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. Creating your shop, promoting your pieces, and sending it off is all you need to do. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.